Let's show you the money. How would you like us to pay you up to 50% commissions every single Friday? Every person that you refer to the Conversion Pros that upgrades and stays active, you will make $20 per month. We have had people that have gone out and referred 20 to 50 people in an hour that have turned into non-stop $20 residual commission payments. How many $20 payments do you want per day? Imagine a virtual ATM machine spitting you out $20 bills whenever you wanted them. Our members love this. First thing to do is get 3 referrals because you're paying $50 a month for your membership. But with 3 referrals, you will be earning $60, which is better than free because you're making a $10 profit. Would you ever cancel if you're making $10 per month? Of course not, and this keeps members getting paid. Our retention is huge. Once you get 3 referrals, you become a sales manager, which opens up Tier 2 and you make $3 on every person on this tier. Let us show you the power of this. Let's say one of the people you referred brings in a leader that goes out and brings in 300 people this month. You were earning $20 off this leader, but now you're earning $3 times 300, so that's another $900 a month residual. Some big leaders bring in over 1,000 people that would be over $3,000 per month residual. The sky is the limit. This is being conservative. We have had members bring in way more in just a week. They are referring entire teams and even entire companies to TCP you get paid on. Once you get 5 referrals, you become a senior sales manager, which opens up Tier 3 and we pay you $2 on that tier. For example, let's say you had 300 people on level 2 and they all got their 3 to be free. That would be 900 people times $2, so that would be earning you an extra $1,800 per month. Remember, this is not a one-time commission, this is monthly residual. It keeps getting paid to you month after month. So as you can see, we pay out a total of $25, which is 50% commissions. We are splitting our business with you and putting you into the multi-million-dollar leads and tools business as our partner. Sales fly in from members every day. Isn't it time you started getting paid? Everyone wants our killer tools, leads, and training and will buy it with or without you. So you might as well be getting paid, right? The Conversion Pros is helping tons of people dominate their businesses while putting some serious residual in their pocket every single month. This is the biggest no-brainer on the web, so are you ready to print as much money as you want? Just to be clear, this system only costs $1.62 a day when you upgrade, way under what your cola, coffee, and lunch costs you. With it being this cheap, no one says no. People spend hundreds of dollars joining businesses and they're sick of failing. They see what we offer and practically beg us to join. Who do you know that doesn't want success? As soon as you join, we give you a referral link so you can start cashing in the same day. So sign up today.